So today I'm going to make a superfood salad, and this is highlighting some of nature's amazing superfoods. They're going to make you live forever. What I did with these greens to begin with was I cut them off the stem so that they had a fresh cut, just like a flower. And then I shocked the whole lot of these in a big bowl of ice water. It does something to tenderize the leaves by breaking up the cellular structure just a little bit. They don't really like to be frozen. It's kind of like a frost. So let's talk about how to clean these up. So the Lucento kale, it's like all of them. I just like to pull off the stems just like this. It works really well. Now with the chard, I actually like the stems a little bit. I don't like this part of the stem, but I like this part of the stem. So I'm going to leave those in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to break this up a little bit so it's bite-sized salad pieces. All right, and then we're going to get down to the regular green kale. Now this has a really heavy stem, and these really don't want any of this stem on here at all because it's really tough and it's woody. So you want to get rid of that. One of the things about using a salad with these bitter greens is that you really want to work at the end to coat all the leaves with the dressing. I'm going to bring some blueberries out here in a minute. I like wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are, in terms of being a superfood, they're dramatically better for you than high bush blueberries. So a low bush blueberry, a wild blueberry, which we have in abundance in the Northeast, especially in Maine, have amazing health benefits. But they have the shortest season, and even when they're fresh, they're very soft, they're very delicate, so they tend to be really runny. But wild blueberries are available all the time, year-round, and they're delicious, so I actually put the blueberries on this salad still frozen.